In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem Target eGift cards in store. Let's get started. First, make sure you have access to your Target eGift card. You can open the eGift card from the email you received or access it through the Target app if you already added it to your account or wallet. Next, shop for the items you would like to purchase and proceed to checkout counter or self-checkout. When it's time to pay, open your eGift card so that the barcode is clearly visible. Present the barcode to the cashier or scan it yourself at the self-checkout if that option is available. The cashier or payment terminal will scan the barcode and the value of your eGift card will automatically be applied to your purchase. If your eGift card balance is not enough to cover the full amount, simply pay the remaining balance using another accepted payment method such as credit or debit card. Once the payment is complete, you will receive a receipt showing the amount redeemed from your eGift card and any remaining balance if applicable. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem a Target eGift card in store. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.